Knowing how to handle something like a broken pipe or a drain that's backing up into your kitchen can really help you prevent nasty flood emergencies. So here are a few tips that you can use and some things that you can look for to help you stay dry. First, the faucet. Turn on the kitchen faucet, and if you have one, the hand spray. Look around the base of the faucet or under the sink. Then use the sprayer and check for leaking under the sink at the connection near the base of the sprayer. Now's a good time to check for leaks coming from the shutoff valves and give the rest of your sink's plumbing a good look. If you have a garbage disposal, it's a good idea to check that too. Just fill the sink and make sure it drains properly. Then with the water running, turn on the garbage disposal and check under the sink for leaks near or around the disposal. Make sure the garbage disposal is wired properly and plugged into a grounded outlet. You'd be surprised how often you find loose cables around the disposal under the sink, which is a safety risk. From here, you can check your dishwasher. Ensure that the seals around the door are working and that it's draining properly. Then check your refrigerator and make sure its drain line is running properly. Same goes for your ice maker if you have one. You want to turn off the water to your home if there are any pipes that are leaking or if you're doing any plumbing repairs. Knowing how to turn the water off to your house can potentially save your home from more damage. You'll typically find the main shutoff valve in the front of your home, near the street, and it usually only requires the turn of a valve. It's a good idea to check these areas often. We suggest once a month to help avoid any wet messes. And for more safety tips, check out our other videos.